It's a let's build, man. I'm using my phone, and I'm recording my TV. Because I don't have my fucking equipment with me. So, overhead view. Stop moving. I'm trying to get your name. Trying to get everyone's name. Hold on. You guys might not hear your voices during the video. You might just hear mine because my fucking TV is really retarded and it won't play the voice out through the TV. No. Do I have to go to settings to do that? Voice. Playthrough speakers.
Yeah, like for accessory storage. Guys, should we? Dude, we made like a room in the mountain.
Alright, I'm gonna play through both.
Yeah. Almost there.
Alright, so now they can hear you. Now they would be able to hear you.
Alright, so I'm gonna start working on the house. Let's see. Ooh, hey guys, but look at their fanny staircase, like, they're really cool. They're like staircases like when I can't hear Legacy. Where's Legacy? Alright. Virtual. If you say, hold your tongue which way, it sounds like, what?
Alright, I got your name, X-Boss.
Good boy. Okay, hold your tongue and say virtual.
Total. They need to see your name. No, yeah. Total X Legacy. Yeah. That booty.
YOLO.
Exactly. I can't fucking hold my
TNT up here.
No. This guy's trying to fucking place TNT around me. Just blow it up. Blow it up.
Yeah, now from the top we could just put TNT so it's not gonna connect to the ground. Okay. It's so dark up here. Where this one like what's it called? If this was on easy, there would be like tons of mobs up here. Thank you.
Holy shit, that was close to the house.
Dude, that was a freaking one. I'm fast. I'm like the Flash. And can you kind of move? You guys gotta do the top. Doing that. Alright, thank you now for doing that.
Almost level.
So this is basically just a let's build.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what it is.
But we're probably gonna go and survival and play on this map.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are, but we just finish everything, you know?
We should make like an armory.
Yeah, we'll do that later. The vault in the other mountain.
Oh guys, I could make a vault for us.
Alright, so I've been recording for 6 minutes, 40 seconds. When should I stop the video?
I have no clue. Whenever, doesn't it have an iPhone?
Boss, follow me. Right here.
Follow me.
Follow me. I'm gonna make a secret vault
Not
right
there.
here.
Not there. All the way over here. This is where we're gonna make it. We're gonna make it on this mountain. But the catch is, it's not the mountain. It's in the mountain. We're gonna make it like right here. Alright, so we'll plan that later. We'll do that later. Well, first we
What
have
the
to-
fuck? What? He's a little ghast. Oh my god. It's a baby ghast flying around.
Alright, I need a bucket.
Hold on, he needs to come up towards me, cause
Oh,
I'm gonna put this shit on YouTube, man. My fucking phone is so gay. Like, it catches all the glares from my windows.
why is there like 3 blocks wide? Oh, you got like blocks floating in both of them. Ghetto. I'm ghetto, bro.
Boss, look at the mountain that used to be here.
What?
Look where the mountain was.
Hold up.
Fucking utopian society, man.
Yes, we have it. Yes, we have the entire freaking mountain destroyed now.
I'm just in a... I'm in an overhead view, so oh, damn.
The big freaking... Okay.
Big ass hole right there.
We're in phase 2 of our creation, okay? Now, this is the play that we're gonna figure out how to build this fucking gigant. Okay, so... Oh,
Night Owl is kind of getting in the way.
Yo, BC Lego, you're on. Oh, shit.
I need that.
That bitch is on YouTube.
Put on YouTube. What the fuck, you? I'm gonna... Break you?
Oh, no. No, not like that, dude. You're gonna mess up the ground.
Mess up the whole ground.
Dude, boss. Ew.
What? It works faster?
We have our methods, boss. Just leave it to us.
Okay.
The center revolves around me. Oh my god. Alright, so.
No.
You fucking. What the fuck?
I need to see the sign. Okay. Bits of this world, sex boss, animal, smoking.
Land view.
Hope you enjoyed. Have fun. Dude, thinking on how this is gonna work. Okay, I'm gonna make like 8 models of this place. So we're gonna get. Alright, let me see. Over here. Okay, let me see. This is how we're gonna build a place. You come inside this house. Don't come in. Keep the plans. Okay.
You guys gonna fucking make love in there? No, just kidding.
Right.
Done with you.
So we're gonna build the usual.
Just tell me when it's the end of this Let's Build, cause my fucking arm's getting tired.
Okay, it's like right now.
Next episode coming in an hour. When we're done.
Yes.